This tutorial review will show you how to multitask on any iPhone or how to turn on split screen in any iPhone. So as you can see, I'm using multitask on my iPhone. The first bird is Instagram and the last bird is YouTube. So now let's see how you can do it from any iPhone. You have to install this split screen app. So go to your app store and search for split screen and install this app. Once it's installed, open it and it contains ads. So close the ad and now tap on this URL, and from here now you can open any social media or any website. You can open Facebook, Twitter, Reddit. In this last bird, again tap on the URL bar, and from here you can use any website or social media. So, and to change the size, you can tap on this line to change the size. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.